Hey everybody, Mario Menduni here. Welcome to my free mini course that may very well turn into a long course. Purpose of this course originally is to talk about print-on-demand profits, especially in the post-iOS updates world. And we accomplish that in a number of different ways. Focusing on products, especially focusing on products that we have control over. So most of what I'm going to be talking about in this course is probably going to be shine-on message cards, since we have a lot of control over developing our best concepts. And by having a good enough message card, you're able to get past all of the difficulties that you're seeing in paid traffic with some and keeping it simple, right? So a little background about myself. If you don't know me, I've been doing this for about 7 years full time. Between myself and my clients, we've done well over 10 million in sales in drop shipping. And, recently we switched focus in my mastermind group primarily to print on demand, primarily to shine on products. And it's been going great. So maybe back in 2016 or so, I hit my first 7-figure store and was able to quit my job. And this year we've had some of the top sellers, and we've been the top sellers for various events during the year within ShineOn. And, we had a student hit $1 million the other day. I can't take complete credit for that at all. He's just a great member of the group, and he adds a lot of value. We've had students that, play the events of the year. You've got your 4 or 5 major events in the family gift giving space. You've got Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and especially Q4, which at the time of this recording in October of 2021, that's the biggest opportunity on the table. Okay. We do a lot of different tactics that you may not have heard about before, such as pacing and day parting, ways to sort of gamify the Facebook system, in addition to what I was talking about before in developing products. We also do things to increase the average order value of a product. So if you're getting 200 a sale versus 80 a sale, you're obviously going to be able to pay a higher price per purchase within Facebook. So a lot of what we're going to be teaching is based on the product itself and based on things that we have control over, right? So if we don't have control over tracking and we have a bunch of weird algorithm changes, and the other day Facebook went down for 4 or 5 hours, if we can focus primarily on the product and our website, and then use sound but simple scaling strategies and testing strategies within our traffic source, being Facebook primarily, then we can have a lot more control over our business, get a lot more consistent profits, and sleep better at night, right? So in this group, please join the Facebook group as well as having this course. In that Facebook group, I'll have polls in there where you can request topics for future videos, give me feedback on the course, and just generally get some help on e-commerce. So I look forward to meeting all of you, and I'll see you in.